What up, guys? Welcome to a new video. This is probably gonna be a bit of a shorter video today, but what we do in this video could potentially decide the direction that I go with this car next. If you've been keeping up with the channel at all, you would have seen at the last event, I had my car overheat, totally blew up a coolant line. It was a big disaster. And in the last video, we got the new coolant hose in, we got everything fixed. Everything went together relatively smoothly. It wasn't too bad of a process. But after I'd finished the installation, I took the car for a drive the next couple days, and I noticed that these radiator hoses were hitting really high pressures. Like, they were getting harder than a rock. It was terrible, kind of scary. Thought I was gonna blow up some coolant lines. So I did some digging around on forums, and people were saying that that could potentially be the sign of a head gasket leak, which is not good at all. That could potentially spell the end of this engine. So today we're going to be doing a combustion leak test. This actually makes me so nervous. All right, so essentially how this kit works is with the car up to operating temperature, you put this on here, fill it up with this combustion leak test fluid, and then you pump gases through it with this little thing, and then chemistry happens inside here, and then fluid will change color if there's combustion gases inside of your coolant, or it will stay blue if there aren't, because science.
Yes, science!
So I'm gonna get the car running, get it up to operating temp, and then we'll do the test. All right, the car is up to operating temperature. As you can see, the fluid starts out as blue. If there are combustion gases inside of the coolant, it should turn like a yellowish color. So I guess now, all there's left to do is to start pumping. Apparently I need to pump for like 2-ish minutes, something like that, but I feel like if there are combustion gases in here, it'll be pretty obvious right away if it starts to change color. Oh no. Oh jeez. Alright, well, as you guys can see, it's turned from its regular blue color to more of a green color. It's supposed to get to yellow. I'm sure it would have gone to yellow at some point, but I think it's pretty obvious that we have combustion gases inside the coolant. So I decided to redo the test just to make sure, and yeah, pretty obvious that I have a blown head gasket. So I know, it's just a blown head gasket. I could very well replace the head gasket on this engine, but I feel like at this point, I think it's time to call it quits on this engine, as sad as it is. This engine has done a lot for me. It's made it through a lot of events, it's taken a lot of abuse, so I feel like I shouldn't really ask more of it. But along with that, I already have a replacement engine picked up. It's not a 4-cylinder. I'll go into more detail about it when the time comes. It's really sad to see this engine go, but I think it's for the best. I think it's about time I start getting more power in this car to help further along my drifting progression. I'm not gonna lie, in the middle of filming this, I posted on my story of like a picture of the test and how it's yellow and stuff like that, and I put the song like Angel. It's like in the arms of the angel, whatever. I'm not gonna lie, almost started crying. I didn't though. I didn't. But it's okay. It's time to move on to bigger and better things, I think. I think that's gonna do it for this video though, guys. In the next video, I'll show you guys what I have planned up next. I think y'all will be excited. I know I'm excited. It's gonna take a lot of work, but I think we'll be able to get it done. But I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.